Hello everybody. Today we are going to do the last exercise of chapter 3, exercise 3.4. This is just a summary of all the other exercises, and we are going to use all the knowledge that we have got till now in this exercise. Let us start with a very simple sum. 1 subpart 1 is just find the value of 6 minus 9 plus 4. So what we are going to do is, in this case, we are going to write all the positive numbers first and then the negative numbers. And how do we know which is negative and which is positive? The sign that is there before that number is the sign of that number. So 9 is negative, 4 is positive, 6 is positive because nothing is given, that means positive. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 9 will be plus 1. Remember, because 10 minus 9 you're subtracting and the greater number is 10. So the answer is plus 1. Let's do 1 subpart 3. Find the value of 7 plus minus 5 plus minus 6. So let us open the brackets. 7, now this will be plus or minus, two different signs, so minus. Again plus and minus, two different signs, so minus. So you can see the numbers are already arranged. So now we can do it in two ways. Either we subtract step by step, or we add all the negative numbers first and then we subtract from the positive numbers. Let us do it step by step first. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 will give you plus 2. So that is plus 2 minus 6. So plus 2 minus 6 means subtraction. 6 minus 2 is 4. Why subtraction? 1 plus 1 minus, that is why subtraction. 6, so 6 minus 2 is 4 and the greater number is minus, so my answer is also minus. Here is an or over here. Another method. You got 7 minus 5 minus 6. What you can do is you can add all the negative numbers together. We have only one positive number, so we write it. What are the negative numbers we have? 5 and 6. So you add 5 and 6. 5 and 6 is 11. So that is minus 11. And what is 7 minus 11? Minus, you have to subtract. So 11 minus 7 is 4. And the greater number is negative. So the answer is negative. In both the cases you will get the same answer. You can follow whichever process, it is simple for you. You have to get the sum correct in the correct process, then you will get marks for it. Next let us come to question number 2. Question number 2, subpart 2. 54 plus minus 218 minus of 76. So we have to first open the brackets. So 54 will come down as it is. This is plus minus, so this will be minus 218. Now see, both are negative, so if you open the bracket we will give a plus sign. Both same sign means plus 76. So let us write down all the positive numbers first. Which are the two positive numbers? 54 and 76. So 54 plus 76 and then all the negative numbers. So I will add all the negative numbers first. So 54 plus 76, that is how much? 4 plus 6, 10, carry 1, and this is 13. So that is 130 minus 218. So you have to do the subtraction. Minus 218. You can do it in the fair also. Okay. So you subtract. So in here it is difficult because you have to subtract the other way around. So that is 218 minus 130. We need to do subtraction, right? Because we have a positive number and we have a negative number. Two different signs, so subtraction. So let us subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8 and this one is 1, so it becomes 8. So that is 88. So the value is 88. And what will be the sign? What is the sign of the greater number? This is the greater one. It has a negative number, so this will also be negative. Okay, you can do these calculations in the fair. Let's do another sum. 2 subpart 4. Minus 65 plus of minus 76 minus 28 plus 32. So let us open the brackets. Now see here, for the first time we've got a sum where the first number is negative. So we will continue with the negative sign. Minus minus will give you minus 76. Minus will give you plus 28, and this is plus 32. So let us arrange all the positive signs in the front and negative numbers after that. So plus 28 plus 32 minus 65 minus 76. So whenever you are moving a number, you have to move it with the sign. You cannot keep the sign and just move the value. See, I have brought 28 from here to here. I brought this sign also. 65 came from here to here. I brought the sign. So let me add the positive numbers first. 28 and 32. Let me add 0 carry 1. This is 60. So this is plus 60. What is the sum of all the negative numbers? 65 and 76. Let us add 11 carry 1, and this is 14. 141. Since they are negative numbers, here it will be minus. Now see, again 1 plus and 1 minus, so we have to subtract. So let us subtract the smaller number from the greater number. This is 1 and this one is 8, right? So that is 81, and the greater number is negative, so the answer is also negative. I hope I'm able to explain it to you properly, because these are very, very, very important concepts. Now let's come to question number 3. It is very much similar, but there is one sum which is very long enough and which you might get afraid of, so I will do that for you. 31 plus minus 23 minus 35 plus 18 minus 4 minus of minus 3. So first we are going to open all the brackets. 31 plus minus is minus 23. No brackets, just bring it down as it is. Plus 18 minus 4. We have to open the brackets. Minus will be plus 3. Let us write all the positive numbers first. Nothing over here that means positive. So plus 31. We'll bring plus 18. Then plus 3. Then we'll bring it here. Minus 23. Minus 35. Minus 4. So first we are going to find the sum of all the positive numbers. So that is 31 plus 18 plus 3. So this is 1 plus 8, 9, 9 and 3, 12 carry 1, and 3, 4, 5. 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5. So that is plus 52. Why? Because all positive, that is why plus 52. Now let's add all the negative numbers. Negative numbers are 23, 35 and 4. They are all negative, so we are adding all of them and we will put the negative sign. This is 8 and 4, 12, carry 1, 3 and 3, 6. So that is minus 62. Now when there is 1 plus and 1 minus, then we have to subtract. So 62 minus 52, you can do it orally itself, that is 10, and this is minus. Because the greater is negative, so the answer will also be negative. Let us do the last sum of this exercise. Question number 4. Come, let's read the question. Reshmi deposited rupees 4,370 in her account on Monday and then withdrew 2,875 rupees on Tuesday. Next day again she deposited rupees 1,550. What is her balance on Thursday? Now, in a bank account, when you deposit, the money is added, and when you withdraw, the money amount is subtracted. Suppose in your purse is your bank account. If you deposit means to put inside. So if you deposit 50 rupees in your purse, then you have 50 rupees in your purse. Again, if you deposit another 50 rupees, now how much money will be there in your purse? Your balance plus the new deposit. These are all deposits, so that will be 50 plus 50, 100. Now if you take away 40 rupees from your purse, withdraw means take away. So if you withdraw means minus 40 rupees, then it will be 100 minus 40, 60 rupees. So same thing over here. Deposit means plus and withdraw means minus. So amount of money deposited on Monday, right, is equals to rupees 4,370. Then on Tuesday, so this is plus amount of money withdrawn on Tuesday is minus, isn't it? How much? 2,875. Again, amount of money deposited on Thursday, this is Wednesday actually, next day they have said, so that's Wednesday. Deposit means plus, so plus how much rupees? 1,550. So what is the balance? Balance means how much money is there in the bank account. So on Monday money was added, Tuesday subtracted, again on Wednesday added. So let us put all the positive numbers first and then the negative numbers. I don't have place over here, so I'm doing it here. 4,370 plus 1,550. 2 carry 1, 8 and 1 9 and 5. It's 5,920 minus 28 minus 2,875. It's 5, so this is 1,8,403. So the answer is 3045. I hope you have got this sum clear. With this, we have come to the exercise 3.4 as well as the chapter 3. After this exercise, there are some mental maths and multiple choice questions and some more questions given for your testing and for your practice. You can go through that on your own.